Hey, one easy way to win a homeowner's insurance claim. If you have ever been denied against a water damage claim against your homeowner's insurance, there's one easy way to win against or even prevent denial of coverage: your service history. Your maintenance records are going to play a huge role in your ability to recover funds on a claim after a big event like a hurricane or a big storm or something like that. So check this out. Without a service or a maintenance history, your insurance company can actually deny your claim based on your failure to properly maintain your house. We've actually seen situations where there's cracks in the sealant, and this is all the insurance person sees, when in truth it was the storm that caused the frame to move, or because of high winds or because of cyclical winds caused that frame to move, causing the damage, allowing the water intrusion. So failure to maintain repair records could literally cost you thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars if you have something like a commercial building. Conversely, having a written service record, like hiring a licensed home inspector to document pre-storm conditions with video, with pictures, with things like that, that follows a globally recognized standard like ASTM standards or IICRC or some others, can greatly help you, your adjuster, or your attorney in any future claims. You'll also be proactive in helping prevent any concealed damages like mold growth, structural damages, termites, things like that. Consider having a licensed home inspector document pre-storm conditions of your roof, your exterior envelope, grading and drainage, issues like that. Then save those receipts with your report, any repair receipts with your report. You'll pat yourself on the back later. You'll also be ensuring the longevity and structural integrity of your house and its value in the future. A detailed service history can be the difference between a successful claim or a denied claim. Hiring a licensed home inspector to do pre-storm documentation can help fortify your argument if you're ever in that situation. Beyond insurance concerns, a home inspector can often identify conditions conducive to things like mold growth, termite damage, structural damage, things that are going to be concealed that you wouldn't necessarily see. You let those things go over time and they develop into a big high dollar repair type of thing, or they can kill the value of your property and stop a home sale in its tracks. Employing a simple service history inspection prior to all this stuff, hey, that can pay off big time. Hey, a home inspector can provide a very good defensible report via photographs and videos and things like that. Make sure that they follow globally recognized standards, things like ASTM 2128, D7338, IICRC S500 and S520, things like that. That will greatly help your adjuster or your attorney should you have a future claim. And it's a real simple thing to do. Hey, the expertise that a licensed home inspector brings to the table, listen, they're going to identify whether it's peril-related damages or just the general health of your home's systems. Listen, goes far beyond what the normal consumer is used to seeing because of their training. This knowledge can empower you to make good decisions, proactive decisions, before they bite you in the rear end or cost you or cause a denial of coverage. Look, bottom line, you're going to sell this house one day, and its value can be killed by finding things long after they've started, issues after they've started, and they've just gotten worse. So don't get manipulated by a buyer's inspector coming into your home and finding things that you could have taken care of a long time ago. They pay for themselves. A service history type of inspection pays for itself over and over and over again. I hope this helps, and we appreciate your likes and subscribes.